Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I'm very excited to bring to you my iPhone 11 unboxing, and this is a 64 gigabyte gold version, and it's actually pretty funny because I thought of getting the silver version, and I actually went to my cellular provider and I thought I ordered the silver one, or the space gray, and they accidentally put this one by mistake because I was curious if this was going to match the gold. I thought it didn't, so I didn't really want the gold aluminum color. I wanted the gold chrome color. It turns out that there was a misunderstanding, and this is the one that was ordered for me. So when I went to pick it up, I actually said, can I look at it? And I actually really liked it, so it ended up being a great mistake, and I'm very happy with it. So I'm going to show you everything that comes in the box.
This is what the box looks like, and as you can see, I have the 64 gigabyte. And right here I have, it's the iPhone 11 Pro Max Gold 64 gig. The box, as always, is in true Apple fashion, nice and clean lines, very elegant. It says iPhone right here. And then when you open it, oops, I've already clearly opened it because I've been using it, but it comes right here. Designed by Apple in California. I have the usual here, instructions. Very simple. Something that's different is this thing right here. This is to remove the SIM card, I guess. It allows you to do so on the side of the phone. And then this is what the box comes like. It's pretty big and pretty heavy. Of course, it has the headphones, which I will not be using because I have my AirPods 2. And then it came with the cord, which I've already used. This side is the connection that works on the MacBook Pro also. So you hook that part here, and then the part that connects to the phone is the usual. And then that's it for the box. This is what the phone looks like. So as you can see, it's this really nice gold that does match the gold, the stainless steel gold. This part right here is lighter, but I really like it. I think it's so nice. This is the part right here where you use that little, see that little hole right there? That's where you put the hole in and you pull the SIM card out, so that's different. Also, I want to go ahead and share my case with you guys. This is an OtterBox case. This is called the Otter Pop, just like the popsicles that you may have had years ago. It's very nice and clean. I got the black one, and when I put it on here, it fits nice and snug. I have like hardly any battery because I've been on it all day. Okay. See, this is how it looks with it on. Like that. I actually did not put my camera back on my tripod that I have behind you. I just left it on the handheld thing, but I want to talk about how much I like this, and the camera is really awesome. What I will do is I will show you a couple of videos later on where I'm using the camera and taking pictures where I'm using the different modes so you can see how they are. But compared to the 10, which is what I had before, it's like a huge upgrade, and I love that phone so much. I never thought that this one would be so much better, but even just the sharpness of the
of the colors of the screen is significantly different. When I'm like reading my text, they're like the letters, the color in the letters is so much more sharp, and it's very fast. I have literally been on my phone almost the entire day, and it was about 90% charged. I did not charge it last night. I got it from the service provider place yesterday evening, and it was at like a 90%, and then I did not charge it overnight, and right now it's at 14, and I've been on it all day. So the battery life on this is definitely longer than my last phone, and I will give you guys some more updates on it, but I just wanted to quickly share. Also, something that I wanted to mention to you guys quickly is that I will be posting more videos soon. I had a few things that happened, and I will be posting an update of, you know, what's been going on. I appreciate all of you guys that have been asking where I've been. I can't even believe the people that I don't know want to know what's happening in my life, so I really appreciate you and the fact that you know, care enough to know anything about my life. And yeah, I also forgot to tell you that I do also have a tempered glass thing on it. So this is the one that I have. This is the one that they had at the place, and I always prefer when they put it on, because for whatever reason, every time I've tried to put one on, it doesn't end up as nice as when they do it. Pure Gear Steel 360. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please be sure to leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It really helps on my channel. And be sure to hit that bell notification so that you get a notification every time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys very soon in the next video. Bye-bye.